They gon' love me for my ambition. Beautiful music, painting pictures, this be my vision.
How's it going, everybody? Complex Ambition, this bitch Sound. You guys already know, bringing you an unboxing and review video to the Nike Air Max 98s. Now, I did a video to these right here. These are the Gundam 98s. You know what I'm saying? Gundam, like the the robot. These right here, particularly though, they're available. They're the women's, as you can see. That's the only size available. Had a couple more, but they sold. But here they are. Our Air Max 98s, 20-year anniversary. So they decided to re-release this model, retro this model, do a couple colorways. This is the original colorway. But today I'm gonna bring you the exclusive colorway. Early release I got my hands on the red ones, the St. Valentine's, they call them, Valentine's Day Gym Red. This rendition, I like them myself the best. I like the concept of doing it in red at all. I feel like it works perfectly. But we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna see what you guys feel about this. Comment down below if you guys would wear this. This is a women's. Would you guys wear this in men's? Would you want this to be mass produced? Is this possibly the shoe model of the year? Not particularly the colorway, but the actual model, the 98s. Will they keep bringing these to fruition in a bigger light or better colorways, or what was gonna happen? Do you guys have high hopes? I know I do. Last year's 97s, this year's the 98s. Here we have regular box, size 5 and 6 available in women's. You know what I'm saying? Air Max 97. I keep saying 97. It's fucking 98, man. Air Max 98s, you guys can see right here. Amazing colorway. The red for the women. You know what I'm saying? Show you guys the bottoms. The bottoms are the same as the 97. Same 97 bottom soles. The bubble right there. You know what I'm saying? Let me get you guys have a better look. As you guys can see right here. You know what I'm saying? Air Max 97. I keep saying 97. Fucking 98. And I was born in 1998, so I should know, because I guess this is my birth shoe. Oh, damn. Don't tell me that. I can't say that shit too much, because I'm going to fuck around. Have to keep a couple of these now, because I feel like it's my rightfully duty as a 98 guy. Yeah, here we have it. You guys already know. Comment down below. If you guys like these, comment. Let me see how you guys feel. I love them. Yeah, I can't say anything else, man. Get your hands on these. I recommend these. Ladies, men's, anybody. I love these, man. Beautiful red, match almost with anything, because like the red is like almost like every color red. Beautiful, beautiful, man. Follow our Grail, multiple Grails, grail.com/soundsales and grail.com/complexambition. Also complexambition.supply on Instagram for purchasing these. DM, PayPal, hit us up, man. Sound, you guys already know. Until next time, Sound sneakers, and we out.